Okay, so here it is unboxed and masterfully installed in our RV, the new Samsung AU8000 43-inch ultra high definition TV. I'll give you a quick picture behind it so you can see how I installed it. It is wall mounted. I used some of these adapter plates to get it to match up with the factory mounting. It fits perfectly in this space. Let's turn it on so I could show you a little how it looks and some of the attributes. Okay, the image on this TV is amazing. It is ultra 4K. Just so you know, I've had to blur it out because otherwise Amazon won't accept any of it for copyright reasons. So it's blurred out and I don't have any volume on. But just so you know, a little extra information about this, I did a lot of research. This TV has one of the best sound qualities in this size and price range. We're in an RV and the stock TV that came in the RV was terrible. I was starting to think I was old and couldn't hear anymore because my wife and I were sitting here when the air conditioning's on with it on like 100 and we still couldn't hear. And I just realized it was just the TV was so awful. So we replaced it with this amazing TV right here. And it is incredible the sound that comes out of this TV. A major upgrade. Just so you know some of the features, it is Bluetooth, it is Wi-Fi, it has USB, it has Ethernet, HDMI, it's LED, and as I said, it is ultra 4K, which is amazing image quality wise. Even if I can't share that with you, I'm just show you real quick on the home page. As you can see, it has all of the advanced technology, the apps. Like myself, I have Netflix, Prime Video. You should be signing up with Prime Video if you don't have it. Hulu, Disney Plus. You can also obviously download other ones. There are all kinds of options. I'm not going to put them up there because I'm going to get more copyright issues, but it'll give you options. I'll scroll down. It'll be grayed out. I'll scroll down here. It'll be blurred out so you can't really see what these are, but it gives you all kinds of direct connections to free TV shows, movies. It gives you price ranges. It gives you recommendations based on your viewing. It is so intuitive and so awesome. I would highly recommend it. I am loving this TV.